She left employees and families who depend on her out in the cold. But Louanne Aponte is back now, running from the law in Venezuela, and had to face charges of stealing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Her attorney explained why she left and also what caused her to come back. It's our top story now at the bottom of the hour. Chris Sadeghi live at the Justice Complex with more on the hearing. Chris?
Well, the hearing itself was real short. The judge did thank Louanne Aponte for coming back and facing these charges, the same charges that scared her into leaving the country for 10 months. But with her husband and children sitting in the front row looking on, Louanne Aponte walked into the courtroom for the first time. All they did was set a pretrial setting for January 14th. But afterwards, her attorney, Nate Stark, explained that once she found out about the criminal investigation into the missing funds at Family Connections and other organizations she was involved in, Louanne Aponte got scared and left to Venezuela, where she lived with her mother-in-law. But with Marco, her husband, facing charges back home, and also her son and daughter here waiting, she decided to come back in part to clear her husband and help the DA's office recover the money. Even though she may have avoided prosecution, had she stayed, prosecutor Greg Cox says no plea deals have been agreed upon.
At this point, there's no deal. The only deal was that she would come back to face charges and that we would take that into consideration in how to handle the case.
And Cox says that Louanne is still looking at a number of years in jail. Also, Marco Aponte, he says, is still facing the charges against him. We're live at the Travis County Justice Complex. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN Austin News.